We good.
Bro, as y'all see, I'm crying, right?
I hate you. In today's video, we about to eat the hottest chip in the world. I ain't gonna lie, I'm shaking a little bit. So we already got our 2 cups. We got the milk. We might need to call 911. I ain't gonna lie. Nobody in this house knows CPR, so hopefully we stay alive for the rest of this video.
Hi.
Okay. And last but not least, we got the 2 chips. So the chip is called the Peggy 1 Chip Challenge. Without further ado, man, let's get right to this video. Alright, so we about to pour this milk into these 2 cups right here because we know we gonna need it. I literally just bought this milk too. It's like free for us. This is what the chip look like. In case y'all ain't see it. That's what it say on the back of it.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh, this joint smell hard. Don't smell it. Don't smell it, bro. Oh my god, like it's stained. Like, oh my god. This is what the chip look like. It's broke, but oh my, look at this. It's black. It's a black chip. This don't look like a burnt Dorito. Man, I hate y'all, man. But I love y'all at the same time. I love y'all. Alright, let's get a countdown. 3. Hold on. On go or on? Bro, I gotta eat this whole chip. We gonna like the whole junk, bro. Just whole junk, bro. Whole junk. Alright. On go. My heart beating, bro. On go, bro. On go, bro. On go, bro. 3, 2, 1. We good. No, we good, bro. The timer gonna be right here for how long we can go without milk. My tongue is on fire. It feel like it's people stabbing my tongue. You already folded? Oh my god. I'm dying. Wait. Oh my god. Tap it out. I gotta drink this milk. Wait. What am I doing with my life? Wait, why is it worse?
Bro, as y'all see, I'm crying, right?
Wait. You gotta let this sit.
Wait. Oh, the scale from 1 to 10. Oh, the scale from 1 to 10. It's a 10. My god, why the water hot? Hey bro, pour me another cup of milk, eh?
Bro, what you gotta say about
Oh
this
my
shit,
god, bro, my chin, bro. Look at my chin, bro.
Oh my god, bro. All that milk.
There's milk on me?
Yes, that's a
Oh my god, bro. Bro, cut the camera, bro.
Alright, y'all, so this is a little update. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like somebody threw some fire down my throat. Pause.
Pause.
I ain't gonna lie. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm sweating. Really no joke. And my throat still burn, bro. We still got 1 round to go, I guess. Bro, why is there a whole nother piece of chip right here, bro? Bro, yeah, I touched my eye by accident and that joint started burning me, bro. I'm not eating that last piece, bro. That's runts, bro.
Yo, this would have calmed our needs, like. This would have, like, stopped the spice. Chick-fil-A solved everything.
This is the first and final time that I'm eating these chips, man. These are no joke, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not doing that ever again. This is the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you're new. If you're a sub, welcome to Zero Gang, man. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is ridiculous. Like, I don't even think we on the last no, we gotta do the rounds, right? Cause it's wearing off a little bit. I hope y'all enjoy Zero Gang. We out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid, man. Peace.
I woke up, I made a meal, said fuck it, and went in tomorrow.